So today I'm going to show you guys one of my favorite ab exercises, and that's the ab wheel. And that's obviously if I can ever get my camera set up. Okay, now that the camera is finally set up, the first thing I like to do is make sure I have a cushion. You always want to have a cushion under your knees because you don't want any knee problems. Second, for me, what I found best for me is I like having my knees close together. A lot of people, when I see them do the ab wheel, they'll have their legs spread apart. But for me, I feel more of an activation when my knees are close together. Arm position is also key. As you see, my elbows are locked in the whole time. Also, as you can notice, when I'm pulling myself back to the starting position, I'm not leading with my butt or my hips. I'm bringing my arms back and letting my abs do the work. So right here, I was actually supposed to record myself doing a set of jump ropes. Between each ab set, I like to do 50 jump ropes just to keep the cardio and the abs combined. And what I failed to mention in the first set is at the bottom, as you can see, there's a slight pause. That activates the abs more. In order for this exercise to be very effective, you want to make sure everything is tight. As you can look all around, you can see my hamstrings are activated, my glutes are tight, my abs of course are tight, my triceps, my forearms, everything's just coming together. Everything comes together in this one exercise, including my lats. Okay, here we go. Now it's time for the jump rope part of the workout. So like I said, I like to do 50. Excuse the angle. I thought it was a perfect angle from where I was, but one day eventually, hopefully I'll get a camera person. I know I said I like to do 50 ropes, but honestly, sometimes I lose count, sometimes I go over. Most of the time I'll go over, but it's in the range of 50 to about 80. So here's the final set of ab wheel. Normally I like to do 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 12 reps, but today I decided to do 3 sets for I think a total of 10 reps each. Also, here's a different angle, so that way when somebody watches the video, they won't be like, oh no, he just recorded the same exercise in the same angle 3 times in a row and just put it in different sections of the video. That ain't me.
No more torture.
And also, just like doing the ab wheel with the jump ropes, I give you guys a different angle. That way, once again, you can't come at me for recording one exercise, one set, and saying it's the same angle. So I give you a different angle here. So here's a bonus ab exercise for you guys in this video. It's the cable machine pull down. I started doing this exercise here in junior college and I found out it was very effective for my abs. And just like the ab wheel, you want to put a cushion under your knees. While doing this exercise, when you pull down, I like to bring my elbows close to my knees and I squeeze as hard as I can. So with the squeeze, you also want to breathe all the air out of your body. And when you go up, you want to gather as much air into your body as you can. So with these cable pull downs, I actually didn't combine these with any type of cardio. So I just kind of went straight into the next set. And with these, I like to do 3 to 4 sets, just like the ab wheel. And the numbers can range from 10 to 15. It just depends on how much weight you want to actually pull down. So here's the third and final set of cable pull downs. And as you can notice, there is another angle. The first 2 angles look the same, but I can promise you they're both different. And before this video ends, I just want to let you guys know that you also can do this exercise standing up. But for me, I've never done it standing up, and I don't think I ever will. I just feel it's more effective for me to do it this way, but maybe one day I can try it standing up.